In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a column in Smartsheet. Deleting a column is a simple action, but it can have a big impact on your sheet, because once it's gone, all the data in that column is removed. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you slowly through the process, and also give you a few tips to help you avoid deleting the wrong thing by accident. First, make sure you have your Smartsheet open in your browser and that you're in grid view, since that's where columns are easiest to manage. You should see your familiar spreadsheet layout with column names across the top and rows running down the page. Now look for the column you want to remove. Take a moment to double check the column header and scan a few cells to be sure you're targeting the right one. If that column contains information you might need later, such as key dates or important notes, consider copying it to another sheet or exporting the sheet before you continue. Once you're confident you've selected the correct column, move your mouse to the top of that column. Hover your cursor over the column header, which is the box at the very top that holds the column name. When you're on that header, right-click. This right-click is important because it opens a context menu that shows all the actions you can take on that specific column. After you right-click, a menu will appear next to your cursor. In this menu, you'll see several options related to columns, such as inserting, renaming, or moving them. Look through this list and find the option labeled Delete Column. Take a second to make sure you're not choosing something similar, like Hide Column. Hiding will only make it invisible, while deleting will permanently remove it and its data from the sheet. Once you've confirmed you're on the correct column and you've selected the right menu item, left-click Delete Column. Depending on your settings, Smartsheet may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete it. If a confirmation message appears, read it carefully, then click to confirm. As soon as you confirm, the column will disappear from your sheet, and the columns to the right will shift over to fill the gap. Take a quick look across your sheet to verify that the correct column was removed and that your remaining data still looks aligned. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a column in Smartsheet using just a right-click on the column header and selecting Delete Column from the menu.